people here. I do pampesu I was a yamaunya wisdom. And Gambana, hey, I prophesy. Sister, man, who's over quadrature, sister, man, who's over wallet, you'll be happy for it. But that cannot help you. Yeah, you're bidding a miachi. Yeah, me, our Church of Christ, me bidding a miachi, Banco, Obian Shamin Kong, Obian Casa Quadrature, but me dinamiachi in the love of God. And I'm preaching now, Tamana, me tunum sana for them in that form, now confusion so me. But I won't know Yami and Yami out. So let us stop chasing miracle, but rather open our heart to hear the word of God, the wisdom, because this word were created because of through wisdom and power. According to the word of God, Proverbs chapter 18 verse 22, Bible says, he who find a wife has found a good thing. Enti obani ni wo engine. Enti ya wo obani tu wo pe. Me fia be fa atake no. Na bon sam ni tumi atake obano. Obi okro wu a na wakofre obi, wakofre ne maami bi, na wakofre obi say o metoto akra no because of your bounty in the beginning, the infancies of the world no na for akra destiny no na ya wari akra osunsun mu na na ma demons na ya wari abofra no all because that is a satanic tricks because we something we say oba ye engine na bema emubu successful. When the engine break down, the car cannot move. Until say, Obunsami breaking mana, about 30 member. Until now, Obunsama breaking my baby. Are you more mamma? Are you more prostitutions? A ma baby, boom, a ma baby living unfair. The devil know that women are. Please, let us take note of it. This, I'm not condemning women. I love women because as a man of God, without women, my ministry cannot move. But what I'm trying to tell you is that every woman who are listening to me must be watchful and take care of your life because the devil hates you. The devil hates women than men. Therefore, he tried to use the women to destroy the life of men. And Bible said, I will make a helper. So let us put it in mind that women are helpers of men. Women are helpers of men. Helper is supposed to add strength. If somebody is your helper, as I'm preaching, if the helper is with me, the person can give me water. The person can read my Bible when I'm preaching. My workers are my producers are in the room. They can give me quotation, they can do that. They are helping me. So without workers of the TV, I cannot preach here. So when I'm preaching, the science engineer must pick us. The presenters must operate the machines. So one person